नाउ गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। मैं उमेश आसेरी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का टॉपिक में हमारा इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस चल रहे थे। सो इनपुट डिवाइसेस में माइक्रोफोन की बात करूंगा। माइक्रोफोन इज अ इनपुट डिवाइस टू इनपुट अ साउंड दैट इज देन stored in the digital form. Okay, so this is the mic. We can see that the microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for a mixing music. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. MICR mainly used to check the bank checks, number of process, just like a shape of MICR and noted down the reading the process is called a magnetic ink character recognition. The main advantage of MICR that is fast and less error prone. And OCR, optical character recognition, this is used to a input device used to read a printed text. So this is the input OCR devices. OCR scan the text optically, character by character, convert them into a machine readable code and store the text on a system memory. Barcode reader mainly check the bars of any product. You can see that number of vertical form of the line on just show. So reading bar coded data, it may be handle scanner or maybe a embedded stationery, just like this type of BCR and scan the barcode. Now OMR, optical mark recognition reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by a pen or pencil, just like a competition exam OMR sheet. And this is the machine. It is especially used for checking the answer sheet of examination having multiple choice questions. Output devices used in a computer: monitor, graphic plotter and printer. These are the output devices we can use just like a monitors. Monitors, commonly called as a visual display unit, are the main output of device a computer. There are two kind of viewing screen used for monitors: CRT and FPT. यानी CRT मतलब कैथोड रे ट्यूब एंड फ्लैट पैनल डिस्प्ले। कैथोड रे ट्यूब में अगर हम बात करें तो पिछला जो मॉनिटर आता था वो CRT होता था। द CRT डिस्प्ले इज मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल पिक्चर एलिमेंट called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better the image quality or resolutions. So a finite number of characters can be a display on a screen at once. The screen can be divided into a series of character boxes, fixed location on the screen where a standard character can be placed. And there are some disadvantages of CRT: large in size and high power consumptions. And flat panel display monitor, we just discussed about flat panel. These are the second type of monitor monitor, flat panel. So the flat panel display refers to a class of video devices that have a reduced volume, bat and power requirement in comparison to the CRT. You can hang them on walls or wear them on your wrist. Current usage of flat panel display include calculators, video games, monitor, laptop, computer and graphic display. These are the flat panel display. Flat panel display is divided into the two categories: MSU display. MSU display are devices that convert electrical energy into the light. For example, plasma panel and LEDs. These are the MSU display. And now we are talking non-MSU display. Non-MSU display use optical effect to convert sunlight or light from some other source into a graphics pattern. For example, LCD, liquid crystal display. So we have done two type of monitors: CRT and flat panel. And flat panel having a two category: MSU display and non-MSU display. Now we'll talk printer. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on a paper. There are two types of printer: impact and non-impact. Impact printer print the characters by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. Characteristics of impact printer are the following: very low consumable cost, very noisy, useful for bulk printing due to low cost. There is a physical contact with the paper to produce an image. These printers are of two types: character printers, line printers. Character printers. Character printers are the printer which print one character at a time. Character printer, that means one character at a time print, and line printer, that means one line print at a time. And another one, two types of category: dot matrix DMP, digital dot matrix printer. In the market, one of the most popular printers is dot matrix printer. These printers are popular because of their ease of printing and economical price. Each character printed is on the form of pattern of dots, and head consists of a matrix of panes of size 5 into 7, 7 into 9, 9 into 7, or 9 into 9. So which comes out to form a character, which is why it is called dot matrix printer. This is the dot matrix printer. You can see that. Advantage: inexpensive, widely used, other language characters can be printed. Disadvantage: slow speed, poor quality, digital. Head is lying on a wheel. Head is lying on a wheel, and pins corresponding to characters are like petals of daisy flowers, which is why it is called digital printer. This is the digital printer shape. Now advantages: more reliable than DMP dot matrix printer, better quality, fonts of character can be easily changed. Disadvantages: slower than DMP, noisy, more expensive than DMP. Line printers are the printers which print one line at a time. This is the line printer, at a time one line print. Now these are of two types: drum and chain. Drum printer, this printer is like a drum in a shape, hence it is called a drum printer. The surface of the drum is divided into a number of tracks. Total tracks are equal to the size of the papers. For a paper width of 132 characters, drum will have 132 tracks. A character set is embossed on a track. Different character sets available in the market are 48 character sets, 64 and 96 character set. One rotation of drum prints one line, and drum printer are fast in speed and can print 300 to 2000 lines per minute. Now advantages: very high speed. Disadvantage: very expensive. Now characters fonts cannot be changed. Chain printer. Chain of character set is used, hence it is called a chain printer. Standard character set may have 48, 64 and 96 and 96. Advantage: character fonts can easily be changed. Different language can be used with the same printer. Disadvantages: noisy, non-impact print, and another category is non-impact printer. Impact printer we have finished. Now we'll talk non-impact printer. Non-impact printers print the characters without using the ribbons. These printers print a complete page at a time, thus they are also called a page printers. These printers are of two types: laser and inkjet printers. Characteristic of non-impact printers: faster than impact printers. They are not noisy, high quality, support many fonts and different character size. Laser printer, these are non-impact page printer. They use laser light to produce the dots needed to form of the characters to be printed on a page. This is the image of the laser printer. Advantage: very high speed, very high quality output, good graphics quality, support many fonts and different character size. And disadvantage: expensive and cannot be used to produce multiple copies of a document in a single printing. लेजर प्रिंटर का है कि एक साथ हम मल्टीपल कॉपीज नहीं प्रिंट कर सकते. नाउ इंकजेट प्रिंटर्स आर नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर्स, non-impact character printers based on a relatively new technology. They print characters by spraying small drops of ink onto a paper. Inkjet printer produce high quality output with the presentable features. This is the inkjet printers. They make less noise because no hammering is done, and these have many styles of printing modes available. Color printing is also possible. Some models of inkjet printer can produce multiple copies of printing also. Advantages: high quality printing, more reliable. Disadvantages: expensive as the cost per page is high. Slow as compared to laser printer. Memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instruction. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. The memory is divided into a large number of small parts called cells. Each location or cell has a unique address which varies from 0 to memory size -1. Memory is 3 types. Now let's discuss memory. Memory. 3 types of memory: cache memory, primary memory, main memory, and secondary memory. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. यानी कि कैश मेमोरी क्या है, जस्ट एक्चुअल में वर्चुअल है, बट ये बफर यानी कि सीपीयू और मेन मेमोरी के बीच की जो है कड़ी बोला जाता है. दिस इज द सीपीयू. यू कैन सी दैट it build a main memory and CPU and main memory is there. RAM and the mid of the bit buffer. Advantages: the advantages of cache memory are as follow. Cache memory is faster than main memory. It consumes less access time as compared to main memory. It stores the program that can be executed within a short period of time. It stores data for temporary use. Now disadvantages. The disadvantages of cache memory are as follow. Cache memory has limited capacity. It is expensive. Primary memory या main memory. Primary memory hold only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. It has a limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor device, and these memories are not as fast as a register. It is divided into 2 subcategories: RAM and ROM. This is the RAM characteristic of main memory. These are the semiconductors memory. It is known as the main memory. Usually volatile memory. Data is lost in case power is switched off. It is working memory of the computer. Faster than secondary memory. A computer cannot run without the primary memory. Now we'll talk about secondary memory. This type of memory is also known as external memory or non-volatile. It is slower than the main memory. These are used for storing data information permanently, for example disk, CD-ROM, DVD, etc. These are the hard disk secondary memory. Now characteristics of secondary memory. These are the magnetic and optical memories. It is known as the backup memory. It is non-volatile memory. Data is permanently stored even if power is switched off. It is used for storage of data in a computer. Computer may run without the secondary memory. Slower than primary memory. Random access memory. RAM is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program. Result, it is read-write memory which store data until the machine is working. As soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. RAM is of top types: static RAM and DRAM. Static RAM, that means static, indicates the memory retain its content as long as power is being supplied. then data is lost when the power gets down due to the volatile nature. SRAM chips use a matrix of 6 transistors and no capacitors. The transistors don't require power to prevent leakage, so SRAM need not be refreshed on a regular basis. Now SRAM is thus use a cache memory and has a very fast access. Now characteristic of static RAMs: long life, no need to refresh, faster, and use of cache memory and large size. Expensive, high power consumption. Now dynamic RAM. Dynamic DRAM, unlike a SRAM, must be continuously refreshed in order to maintain the data. This is done by placing the memory on a refresh circuit that rewrite the data several hundred times per second. DRAM is used for most system memory as it is cheap and small. All DRAM are made up of memory cell which are composed of one capacitor and one transistor. Characteristics of DRAM: short data lifetime, needs to be refreshed continuously, and slower as compared to SRAM. Used as a RAM, similar in size, smaller in size, less expensive, less power consumption. Computer. Now we'll talk another memory. This is a permanent memory, ROM, read only memory. So ROM stand for read only memory, the memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. This is ROM. The type of memory is non-volatile. Various type of ROM: MROM, masked ROM. The very first ROM were hardwired device that contain a pre-programmed set of data or instructions. This kind of ROM are known as a masked ROM, which are inexpensive. PROM, programmable read-only memory. ROM is only read memory that can be modified only once by the user. Once by the user, it cannot be. The user buys blank PROM and enter the desired content using a PROM program. Inside the PROM chip, there are small fuses which are burnt open during programming. It can be a program only once and it is not erasable. EPROM: erasable and programmable read-only memory. Erasable and programmable read-only memory. So EPROM can be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet light for a duration of up to 40 minutes. Usually an EPROM eraser achieves this function during programming. An electrical charge is trapped in an insulated gate region. The charge is retained for more than 10 years because the charge has no leakage path. EPROM: electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. EPROM is programmed and erased electrically. It can be erased and reprogrammed about 10,000 times. Both erasing and programming takes about 4 to 10 milliseconds in EPROM. And location can be selectively erased and programmed. EPROM can be erased one byte at a time rather than erasing the entire chip. Now advantages of ROM. The advantages of ROM are as follow: non-volatile in nature, cannot be accidentally changed, cheaper than RAMs, easy to test, more reliable than RAMs, static and don't require refreshings. Contents are always known, can be verified. Computer motherboard. Now we'll talk computer motherboard. The computer motherboard is another topic, is a new and good topic. Every computer having a motherboard. So the motherboard serve as a single platform to connect all the parts of the computer together. It connects the CPU, memory, hard drive, optical drives, video card, sound card, and other ports, and expansion card directly or via cables. It can be considered as the backbone of a computers. This is the motherboard. You can see that यहाँ पर एक CPU होता है, यहाँ रैम स्लॉट होते हैं, यहाँ पर ग्राफिक्स कार्ड वगैरह जो भी यहाँ पर USB ड्राइव्स होते हैं, यहाँ केबल्स का होता है, यहाँ केबल स्लॉट्स होते हैं सारे, एंड यहाँ पर कीबोर्ड जो कि VGA केबल्स, पावर केबल्स, माउस, कीबोर्ड, USB चार्ज, RJ45 कनेक्टर, etc. Now features of motherboard. A motherboard comes with following: Features: motherboard varies greatly, supporting various types of components. Motherboard support a single type of CPU and few types of memories. Video cards, hard disks, sound card have to be compatible with the motherboard to function properly. Motherboard cases and power supply must be compatible to work properly together. Popular manufacturers: following are the popular manufacturer of the motherboard: Intel, Asus, AOPEN, Abit, BioStar, Gigabyte and MSI. Now computer memory units. Memory units is the amount of data that can be stored in storage unit. So first is one is a bit binary. Binary digit is logical 0 and 1, representing passive or an active state or a component in an electric circuit. And second is nibble, 4 bit equal to 1 nibble. Byte, a group of 8 bit is called a 1 byte. A byte is the smallest unit which can represent a data, item or a characters. Now a word, a computer word like a byte is a group of fixed number of bits processed as a unit, which varies from computer to computer but is fixed for each computer. The length of a computer word is called a word size or word length. It may be as small as 8 bits or maybe as long as 96 bits. A computer stores the information in the form of computer words. The following table lists are some higher storage. 1 kilobyte equals to 1042 bytes. 1 MB megabytes equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes, and 1 terabyte equals to 1024 gigabytes, and one petabyte equals to 1024 terabytes. So these are the parts we can convert the things, etc. We can use. These are the units of storage in computer. Major now we are using gigabytes. Terabyte we are using very soon because it's available market, but gigabyte is too much. बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होता है गीगाबाइट्स का. जो कि कंप्यूटर पोर्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ें तो पोर्ट इज अ फिजिकल डॉकिंग पॉइंट यूजिंग विच कैन एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस कैन बी कनेक्टेड टू द कंप्यूटर्स. तो कंप्यूटर पोर्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस होता है are connected to a computer using cables or ports. Ports are slots through the motherboard into which a cable or external devices plug in. Example of external devices attached via ports are the mouse, keyboard, monitor, microphone, speaker. These are the shapes. We can plug the Ethernet cables and ports and through the image. You can see that. So now today it is now few important type of topic. Ports will start tomorrow. So good night, have a nice day, watch my channel, subscribe my channel and share my channel. Please don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.